Hi friends, welcome to the Next.js series. In this tutorial, we're gonna see a contact form. If you are visiting a website, so you are go through the products. If you want to inquire that particular product, so that time you go to the contact section. You will be having the contact form. So you have to give your name and email ID in which the product you are inquire about. That message you have to write here. Once you submitted, that form will be submitted to that particular admin or the contact owner, so that you will be getting for they will contact you for further details. So for that we go for a contact form. So here we have used the note mailer, and you have to sign in this particular mail trap. So in this in this you have to email testing. This is for the developer, and in the inbox you will be finding this integration tab. So in this integration you will be getting the host and the port number and username and password, so that we can send the mail id. So here, so for that we have to create a folder in this particular app contact. In this page, this is actually all about the user action. So the and here I have a three input field. One is for name, so here the name is the name, and here the next field is all about the email, and here I have a message. I have three input field and one button for submission. And once I have submitted, this action equal to handle submit, this handle function will be called. Here I have a function called, so handle submit. In this I passing this form data. So here I have a method called send email method, in which I am just passing the form data. So in the form data you should have this name and name, so that in the form data we will be getting this name, email id and the password. So for that, in the form data this function will be called. So here we have to go to this action contact action. So here I have a action contact action. So in this the form data will be passed to this particular send email. Here the form data that get of that particular name and email and password we have to give and store it in this name, email and messages. And you have to create a node mailer transporter. We have to create a transporter object. So for that, in the integration tab, what are the here we have seen the host. This is all about the mail trap dot IO. So if you are using a Gmail service, you have to give a username and password according to that. Here I have used a mail trap. So the port number of which you have to give. You can give any of the port number here. And the .env .local, you have to give this all details in this particular .env .local. So in this I have given a smtp username, password and the name, and the smtp from mail, the no reply at gmail.com. And also I have given a host number, the host. So if it is the gmail service, smtp gmail service, you have to give according to that. You have to change the port number. This is a username and password of the my mail trap. You should use your mail username and password of your services. And once you have given this in the .env.local and go to this particular contact form, in the contact form you will be accessing this host post and auth. You have to access this all the details, and you have to create a mail option. From detail is all about this mail id, whatever you are typing this mail id message and names we are using here. The two is all about to no reply at gmail.com, and the subject is contact form submission. What you can give your way, and the text is message from this mail id and name. Message whatever you are typing in this particular form, that message will be sending with the mail option. So once the transporter object dot send mail, with this particular mail option you can send. Once you have sent, if the message is successfully sent, the success is true. If it is any error, our message should be error sending messages. So then we have to go to this particular create next. Here you have to go to the contact form. Here you have to give a mail id. For suppose I'm just giving a rom@gmail.com. This is all about the enquiry of the product size. for example, product size details, I'm just giving inquiry about this product size detail. Once I submitted, you will be getting email sent successful message. Once I have successfully, so you will be getting email sent successfully. And here you can say see the message which we have sent message from the name of the particular user, and also the email id, the product size detail. So this is all about the contact form. And once the successfully message is sent, it's go to this particular page. And our result is success. The result dot message will be sent to this particular message. And the set message will be null after the 2 second. So we have set the time out, so the message will be set in this particular paragraph tag. So here your message, whatever email sent successfully or error sending email message will be appeared here. So this is, that's all about this.